An operating system, or OS, is the master software that runs your device. The two most common on computers are Microsoft Windows and Apple macOS. On phones, Android and iOS. Starts up the computer. Manages files, folders, users, and updates. Lets you install and run apps. Controls hardware, printer, Wi-Fi, screen, sound. Start menu, bottom left. Search and open anything. Settings, gear icon, change Wi-Fi, sound, display, accounts, updates. File Explorer, browse your files. Shortcuts on the left, this PC, documents, downloads, pictures. Notifications, bottom right, messages from apps in the system. Finder is equivalent to File Explorer. System settings, change preferences. Spotlight, Command plus space, search anything on the computer. Open your settings or system settings on Mac. Find the Wi-Fi screen, the display or brightness screen, the accounts screen. You don't have to change anything, just learn where they live.